Greetings, my friends. Welcome back to another exciting episode on my YouTube channel. Today, I have a valuable tutorial for you, demonstrating how to securely log out of your personal Instagram account from another device using your smartphone. So, without further ado, let's delve into the details. To initiate the process, open your Instagram app. Head to your profile and tap on the three lines located at the top right corner. From there, navigate to Settings and Privacy, positioned at the top of the menu. Once there, you'll find Account Center. Click on it. Proceed by selecting Password and Security and then go to where you're logged in. At this point, you'll see a list of devices where your Instagram account is active. Choose the specific account you wish to log out of on another device. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says Select Devices you want to log out and carefully choose the desired device. Execute the log out by tapping the corresponding button. While ensuring you've successfully terminated access from other devices, it's crucial to fortify your account's security further. To achieve this, consider changing your password. To change your password, go back twice from your current page, locate the Change Password option, and select the account for which you want to modify the password. Input and confirm your new password, and finally, click Change Password at the bottom of your screen. By diligently following these steps, not only will you securely log out of your account on other devices, but you'll also fortify its defenses against potential unauthorized access. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for future content. Until next time, stay secure, my friends.